What's up, everybody?
Welcome to Daddy Daughter Dabble Time.
That's right, and today we're going to be talking about something very special.
We are going to be talking about what we did over Christmas break.
What was your guys' favorite activity that we did?
Mine was on making an ice rink.
Making an ice rink.
On the water. Mine was skating on the ice rink.
Jenna, what about you? What was your favorite?
Ice skating.
So yeah, we made our very own ice rink on the lake just outside the cabin, and it was a blast.
Now, we're gonna take you to some footage we made from the ice rink.
Did Santa come?
Mm-hmm.
We are so lucky, huh? What about you, Mikkel? What did Santa bring you?
Makeup.
Makeup? But you're only 5.
But I like makeup.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
So you can be pretty for all the boys?
No.
What did you get, Morgan?
Some new figure skates, ballet shoes, jazz shoes, a diffuser. I also got tons of other things.
Juju, what did you get for Christmas? You got lots of toys? Are they good toys? Awesome. We are here in beautiful Big Fork, Montana at my wife's family cabin. And the lake is completely frozen over. We got about 8 or 9 inches of snow, which is perfect for ice skating. It's Christmas morning. We just opened up all the presents. All the kids are having a good time. Everybody's inside eating breakfast. And as you can see here from what I've cleared already from the dock, we've got about 2 feet of snow. Luckily on the ice, there is not nearly as much. But to start our ice rink, first, we gotta clear the snow. We're gonna get to it. We got our rink cleared. So we've got our intake down in our augered hole. This will be our hose. Then Connor's gonna pour some water in here to prime the pump. Got my father-in-law working the pump here. First layer of ice is down. I'll let that set for about a half an hour till it's completely frozen over. And we'll do another layer. Be ready for some skating. So while we're waiting for the rink to freeze, taking a little break for some luging sledding, me and the wifey are gonna go. Look at it! Dead soldier! We're just starting our second layer now. Had a pretty good smooth surface to start out with, but we're just looking to get some imperfections cleared out. Obviously a little bit more slick to lay it down this time. It is officially the next morning, and since all the kids are eating breakfast, we thought we'd throw down one final layer here. Should be all frozen up by the time the kids are bundled up and ready to come enjoy it. We got Mikkel and Audrey out here. Mikkel, what do you think of the ice? What's up? Jenna, how's it going? You learning to skate with that helper? Oh, that was so nice of you. Sister and cousin. All right, Mikkel, I'm following you. Whoa, nice spin. What's up, dudes? All right, Morgan, let's see what you got. All right, let's see it, Mikkel. Whoa. So last night and continuing on to this morning, we've had a nice little snowfall. What we decided to do was just carve out a skating track because there's about 8 inches. Makes it kind of hard to clear off. So let's take a look at it. How's it going, Jenna? Good. So we told any of the kids who could skate the track in 12 seconds or less that they could get $1. There's yet to be anyone to claim the prize.
Oh! Go, Morgan, go! Come on, Audrey! Come on, Audrey! And Morgan wins! Charlie in second!
Thanks for spending some daddy-daughter dabble time with us today, and now you know
How to make your very own ice rink.
that's right. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, as we will be posting a lot more fun videos.
And have fun. Have fun.
Have fun!
And then say
Can you say bye?
bye.
Can you blow the camera a kiss? Ah, very good.